YBNL and Empire Act Asake is undoubtedly one of the hottest artists in Africa at the moment. The Yoa crooner broke the glass ceiling as he hit 1.6 million views on YouTube with his latest single, 230. Mavin Act Rema has come out to put water to the claim that he is having a running beef with Davido. Both acts are currently in the US performing at different late-night shows. While Rema appeared at the Jimmy Fallon show, Davido performed some of his singles at the Stephen Colbert show in New York. Rema stated that he is still looking up to the big boys in the industry and won't want to fight anybody. How do you rate Asake's 230?